Hi. If you've taken science in class 12th and have taken physics, chemistry and mathematics, then you are in for a tough choice because there are many career options that you can choose from. Perhaps more than 50 or 60 leading careers that I can think of right now. Beginning with engineering, because that is one of the most sought after careers for right or wrong reasons, because many times people discover after they've already completed their engineering. But nevertheless, engineering is the first career that comes after PCM, which offers many disciplines, almost 16 to 17 disciplines that you can choose from. Most sought after like computers, electronics, telecommunication, chemical, civil, mechanical and so on. If not engineering, you can think about architecture. If not architecture, you can think about industrial designing or product designing. If not engineering or these related fields, you can take a dip into the vast sea of careers that are offered by in the IT industry or in the IT sector. So you can think about becoming from either you can go from the hardware side or from the electronic side. You can think about software development. You can think about animation. You can think about the web designing side, and there are so many options to choose from. Being an ethical hacker, being a security professional. So there are so many options that are being offered by the IT industry also. So we have engineering, we have IT, we have architecture, and there are so many other science-based careers that you can choose from. If it's physics or mathematics that interest you, pure sciences and applied sciences offer a lot of wonderful options to choose from. Within 5 to 10 years, Indian education system, Indian higher education system is going to change a lot. There will be many more reputed universities that will open up their institutions in India. So there will be huge scope in research, there will be huge scope in teaching, and that you must keep in mind. So you can make a career out of mathematics, physics, applied mathematics, statistics, etc. If you've taken PCM, you can also go for related careers like forensic sciences, even food technology, biomedical engineering is also coming up like anything. So these options are also available. If these options look a little limited to you, you can choose from becoming a pilot or a captain of a ship and explore the aviation and shipping industry, which offers a vast array of interesting careers for science students. If not aviation, shipping in the domestic sector or in the international sector, you can think about joining the defense services of India. Whether it is Air Force, Navy or the Indian Army, they offer a lot of engineering, technical, non-technical career options for science graduates. You can enter even after 12th with science. You can also enter if you've done your graduation in science. So these are the options that are available to you. While there are so many options that covering them here in this 2-3 minutes video, it looks difficult to me. I would like to touch upon a few more which are equally exciting. Because if the traditional science-based careers are not interesting you, or you chose science as an option after 12th, you still have the option of moving on to any other career which are offered in other streams. So any leading career, whether it is CA or it is law or it is journalism, they are all equally open to you as they are open to any other graduate, any other student of class 12. You must see what is your aptitude, where is your personality and where is your fitness. And after you establish this fitness, don't think twice in changing your stream and choosing the option which suits you best. Because as a science student, you already are a problem solver, and problem solvers are needed in any type of career. So you can choose from the vast array of careers which are open to other fields also, whether it is design, fashion technology, law, journalism, anything that you can choose from. Another thing that I would like to mention here is that if there is a leader in you, who every time comes to fore and you want to make a difference, you want to make a word of your own, then you can also explore the careers in the fields of management, whether core business management, or you can take up specialized courses, whether it is hotel management or others, which can also utilize your aptitudes and your potential. So if you know your strengths, there are so many options to choose from after taking science in class 12th. Go for it. Thank you.